Hi students, this is week 3, day 1, subtracting integers. Please make sure you take out your writing tool, notebook, and type ready in the Zoom chat. You may find the course materials in the Google Classroom or email. This week's objectives include the following. I can understand how to subtract integers. I can also add and subtract integers. So we're going to be mixing up both addition and subtraction integers. And the language objective is I can take notes showing the multiple ways to subtract integers. Today's agenda, the do now, then we'll talk about citizenship grade, followed by after school tutoring, instruction, where you'll take notes on subtracting integers, then you'll play a game on adding and subtracting integers, and lastly the IXL for the week. Citizenship grade. As you are aware, you receive a grade for academic as well as citizenship. And when we're talking about citizenship, there are quite a few students at this moment who have a need improvement, and that's because they had their camera off, and I can't tell whether they're actually paying attention or off task. Sometimes I've been calling out students on Zoom, hey, Joe, are you there? And there's no response from Joe. Then I type in the chat, there's still no response. I can't tell if you're on Zoom with the black screen, so please have it off. Otherwise, you may receive a need improvement for citizenship. That includes displays off-task behavior and frequently off-task or distracting others. And needs improvement also relates to attendance needs improvement, absence or tardiness a concern, so making sure you're coming on time. Sometime this week, you'll receive an email about your citizenship grade so far for this class. Please be mindful. After school tutoring will be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays from 4 to 5 p.m. The daily deadline is 3:30 p.m. So if you want to sign up for Monday tutoring, make sure that you sign up before 3:30. If you want to sign up for Thursday tutoring, you have to sign up on Thursday. You cannot sign up on Monday and ask for Thursday tutoring. Please make sure you fill out the Google form, which is linked. And the Google form says, please fill out the form completely to receive math support. Students will be matched with a tutor, so please sign up early before tutoring is full. Deadline to sign up daily is 3:30 p.m. Notice how there's a different Zoom link. So please make sure you enter this Zoom link. And if you don't fill out the form, you will not be allowed into the Zoom meeting. Make sure your first name and last name are there, along with the math teacher, since this is open to all grade levels. Then the math topic, are you talking about adding integers, subtracting integers, multiplication, division, pre-calculus, so forth. So make sure you're specific about the topic. Trigonometry, just don't say math. That's not detailed enough. And then in 1 or 2 sentences, explain what you understand about the math topic. So what do you understand about adding integers? You might say, I understand how to add positive integers. In 1 or 2 sentences, explain what you do not understand yet about the math topic. So if we're talking about adding integers again, you might say, I do not understand how to add negative integers yet. Then you click submit and we'll get back to you when we see that you signed up, and just join the Zoom link so that you can enter. You also may receive extra credit by participating in after school tutoring to get help, depending on your participation level. And lastly, everything is on the spreadsheet. So when you click on the spreadsheet, you can find all the links to the Zoom classroom meeting, the after school Google form, the after school tutoring Zoom link, as well as this week's assignments, the handouts, the slides, and then the videos. And obviously the tutorials on how to do things. Now, we'll be taking notes for subtracting integers. Please make sure you submit them later today. After you finish taking care of the notes, make sure you adding and subtracting integers game. So you're playing this game, click on the link and you should see the link. And in this link, you want to make sure you click on addition and subtraction of integers. Play the game accordingly. 11 minus -14 is 25. And every time you get a right answer, it'll drop a house or a building. And you do something incorrect, -9 plus 19, it's going to give us 8. And it says, oops, try again. So when you are done, make sure you take a screenshot including the level number, so we know what level you got off at. And that just tells us how well you understand addition and subtraction of integers. Make sure you submit a screenshot for Google Classroom Assignment 3.1, adding and subtracting integers. And then this week's IXL is C9, 7th grade, subtract integers. Reach an IXL score of 90 to earn 10 out of 10, and you may earn extra credit by showing 2 different ways to solve the 2 problems. Submit work as a PDF. So, on the Google Classroom, you will see 2 assignments, as well as today's handouts. So under classwork, week 3, those are the handouts, subtracting integers. Then the game, please take a screenshot and attach a screenshot of your work as evidence. And if you need help submitting a screenshot, please read the video tutorial on the Guide to Core Math 2 spreadsheet. Lastly, use Genius Scan or Notes on iPhone or Android, and make sure that it's a PDF. That is all. Take care.